Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. I am Rebecca. So you may have gone to the store last week or just today, I don't know, and gotten a ton of different things that maybe you don't know how to store. So I'm going to just show you what I do. I really don't like big bags of things just hanging everywhere in you know, different sizes of bags. You have corn nuts in this bag, I have mangoes in this bag, I have jewel dates in this bag, and you know, here's cashews in this thing. This would be okay if there was like 20 of the same size container, you know, and everything had, all those containers had different things in it. I'd be cool with that, but I don't like it like that. I like to have everything in mason jars. One thing I like about my new kitchen is these open shelves. I mean, look at that, it's super cool. I can see really quickly what I have. So I actually put on the jar a piece of masking tape with just a pin that I wrote on, you know, fat Sharpie pin, and I wrote what it is. So, you know, some people might go, oh yeah, I know what that is. But some people might say, some in my family might go, I don't know what kind of seed that is. Oh, mom put it, it's raw pumpkin seeds. Okay, some of these things may be kind of a duh, but I put a label on all of them so that it's really clear what it is. Now, I am going to just fill these jars here and show you what I do. It's super easy. So when you went to the store and you bought too much of things, let me show you how to organize that. I do not know what this is called. What's this called? Oh yes, a funnel. So we're gonna take this funnel, and I cut this bag already. And this is our corn nuts. So we're gonna put corn nuts in a jar. And of course they're organic, non-GMO corn nuts, of course. Of course. And there you go. Super good. See, now everybody can see the product. I love it this way. It's very beautiful. All right. I was working on mangoes before my phone died and had to restart and do this all over again. But here's the mangoes. I took them out of the bag and I'm just kind of pulling them apart here. I'm going to put them in my jar. And I pull them apart because, you know, people are kind of lazy. So they want to be able to grab one. They don't want to have to pull them apart, right? I'll make it easier. So just remember, okay, maybe I can't like eat and talk at the same time. But just remember that there's a clean 15 and a dirty dozen list that you need to know what veggies, what fruits, and what things you need to get organic and what things you don't need to get organic. So mangoes, you need to get organic. Corn, you need to get organic. What's this sweet corn? Okay, there's that jar. Can you see these jars? There they are. Very pretty. And then, oh, I'm going to fill it. Let me do this. I'm going to put some figs in this one. These are awesome figs I got from Costco. I wonder if you got some. These are so good. Now, figs can dry out for sure, so you don't want to leave them uncovered. You want to keep this lid on this jar for sure. Okay, there we go. There's a fig, so people can see and go, oh, figs, yay. Oh man, I don't know if you've had, like, these figs are amazing. Reminds me of my childhood for some reason. I don't know why. But anyway, but then there's some left over. So what I do is you push all the air out of it, right? Seal it back up, because this has a handy dandy seal. And then I take this and I put it into my cabinet, and I can stack these in there randomly and close the door, and then I don't have to see them, right? But when my jar gets low, then I can go in there and check to see if I have some. If I do, then I can fill the jar back up. If I don't, then I'll put it on my list to go to the store. Okay, I say that very, generally speaking, I mean, I'm not really great at lists. I'm gonna get better though, for sure. I do the same thing with cashews and nuts and anything else because, you know, frankly, like I said before, this just doesn't fit anywhere on my shelves. I like more uniformity with my storage containers. And also kind of helps everyone to not nibble too much. I think when they can't can't see the bigness of the jar, when that's hid away, then they're like, oh, this is all we have, so we have to be careful. So isn't that pretty? Oh yes, so I gotta go wash some more jars so that I can put the rest of my stuff in. But there you have it. And then definitely get lids. So I have some lids here I keep in a basket. That's handy. I do this all the time. I use mason jars for absolutely everything. So this will be nice and sealed. And I'm gonna put it on the shelf after I label it. Oh yes. So there you go, ladies and gents. That's how I take care of my shopping spree days. When I come home, I put things into I put things into jars so that I can look at how beautiful they are. See, isn't that pretty? Oh yeah. Okay, so that's what I have for you today. Have a great day and happy eating. Bye-bye.